Today, I'm going to show you some great ways to use baking soda as well as some beauty tips and life hacks. Baking soda can help with heartburn. Heartburn happens when your stomach's pH level is too high and you feel an acidic burn in your chest. If you drink a teaspoon of baking soda dissolved in 8 ounces of water, it can neutralize stomach acid and briefly relieve heartburn caused by acid reflux. Baking soda as an alternative to conventional deodorants. You can use baking soda in deodorant if you want one that doesn't have any dangerous chemicals. Baking soda is known for being able to absorb smells, so putting it under your arms can help get rid of any smells from sweat. Just make sure to test it on your skin first to see how it reacts. Sometimes it can cause a rash. Try adding a quarter of a teaspoon of baking soda with a little bit of water, but don't dissolve it. Rub it under your arms. Baking soda can be used to clean a hairbrush. You can use hairbrush cleaner soda to clean your brushes and combs, and it will keep your hair clean and healthy. Using a paste made of baking soda and warm water, you can get any hair stuck in the comb's needles. The gritty baking soda will scrub off any oil or product built up on the brush or comb. Baking soda can be used to whiten teeth. Baking soda is already an active ingredient in many teeth whitening products. Its gritty texture helps remove surface stains from your teeth, making them look brighter and whiter. Mix a few teaspoons of baking soda with enough fresh lemon juice or water to make a paste. Wipe any extra drool off your teeth with a paper towel. Put a lot of paste on your toothbrush and put it on your teeth. Leave the paste on for about a minute so that the acid doesn't damage the enamel. Then you can smile. Use baking soda to unclog drains. The combination of vinegar and baking soda to clean drains effectively. Baking soda is a bicarbonate and vinegar is an acid. When you mix them together, they bubble quickly, which moves through the drain and cleans the walls of the drain. Pour a pot of boiling hot water down your drain. Pour in about half a cup of baking soda and let it sit for a few minutes. Then pour a mixture of about 1 cup of vinegar and 1 cup of very hot water down on top of the baking soda. Cover with a drain plug if you have one to keep the reaction below the drain surface. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes, then flush with a pot of hot water one more time, and your drain should be as clean as new. You can use baking soda to get rid of smelly sponges. If you clean dirty sponges, you can use them longer. Soak them in baking soda and water for a few hours to get rid of the gunk that causes odors. Since baking soda is natural, you don't have to worry about using the sponge on food surfaces. Cleaning the kitchen with baking soda. Baking soda is a natural cleaner that works very well. Putting baking soda on a damp sponge or cloth is a great way to get rid of marks on the kitchen counter. It will also clean and deodorize a cutting board and get rid of food that is stuck to pots and pans. You can use baking soda to get rid of pet odors. You can get rid of pet odors with baking soda. Pet pee is usually acidic, which is one reason why it smells bad. Chemically, baking soda can make acidic things less acidic and more alkaline, which gets rid of the smell. Mix white vinegar and baking soda in equal amounts to make a runny paste. Put the paste on the dirty carpet or furniture. Wait a few minutes and then wipe it off with a brush. Baking soda can be used to clean your face. You can wash your face with baking soda. The small size of baking soda crystals makes them a great way to clean your face and get rid of stains. They are also great for getting rid of dead skin cells. As with deodorant, some store-bought cleansers have chemicals in their natural ingredients that can hurt your teeth and the environment. Luckily, baking soda can be mixed with a little water to make a great natural cleanser that's safe for you and the environment. Baking soda can be used to soothe insect bites. Insect bites can be treated with baking soda, so it's a great home solution. Just add enough water to 1 tablespoon of baking soda to make a paste. If you put it on the wound for 10 minutes and then wash it off, you should feel much better. You can use baking soda to remove splinters. Mix enough baking soda and water to make a thick paste. Lay on the splinter and put a bandage over it every so often. Take the bandage off and add more of the mixture. Wait for an hour or even a day, depending on how deep the splinter is. After some time, you'll be amazed at how the splinter comes out on its own. The shower head can be cleaned with baking soda. Find a strong plastic bag that is big enough to fit around the shower head. Put about 1/3 cup of baking soda and 1 cup of vinegar in the bag. Use a rubber band to hold the bag over the dirty shower head. Leave the bag on the shower head overnight, and the next morning, your shower head will be sparkling clean and water will flow freely through it. Whiten toenails. You can use lemon juice and baking soda to whiten your toenails. Squeeze half a lemon or more into a plastic bowl. Then add baking soda and mix until you get a nice, abrasive paste-like texture. Use your toothbrush to clean your teeth, not your nails. Taking a bath with baking soda can help relieve sunburn pain and discomfort. Some burns can ruin your evening after a day at the beach. To cool your skin, try a baking soda bath. Add half a cup of baking soda to a tub of hot water. Instead of using a towel to dry off, let your skin dry naturally in the air. This is also a great natural home remedy for many common skin issues. A baking soda bath can help balance the acidity of the face and get rid of toxins. Soaking in baking soda can help your dry skin look and feel better. Many people also say that baking soda baths can clean the body. This is a 2-week process that includes a number of detox baths with half a cup of baking soda in a warm tub of water. Have a 10 to 20 minute bath twice a week with at least 2 days between each bath. Do this for 2 weeks. Baking soda can effectively remove spray paint stains from your hands. About the same amount of baking soda and water should be mixed together. But on the side of more baking soda, pour the baking soda mixture over your hands and rub it into the dried spray paint. After rubbing your hands together for a minute or so, the spray paint should come off quite easily. Baking soda can boost your laundry detergent to whiten clothes and remove stains. Using baking soda dissolved in water on your clothes or in the washing machine will help get rid of many stains. Pour 1/2 cup of baking soda straight into the full washing machine so that it dissolves in the water. Finish the wash cycle as usual. For an extra large load of laundry, you can add up to 1 cup of baking soda. Then look at your clothes and you will see the stains have come out. Using baking soda to clean the oven. You can also use baking soda to clean your oven. Sprinkle baking soda on the inside of your oven and scrub it until all the nasty spots and food buildup are gone. To do this, mix baking soda and water to make a paste that will spread easily on the oven surfaces. Spread the paste on the inside of the oven. The baking soda may turn a little brown. Let it sit for a few hours. Then take a wet rag and wipe away as much of the baking soda paste as you can. You can put vinegar in a spray bottle and spray the surfaces where you still see baking soda residue. Then, wipe it with a wet rag and let it dry naturally. Or you can turn your oven on slowly at a low temperature for a little while to dry it all. Use baking soda to make your jewelry shine. Putting your jewelry in a bowl of baking soda and water for a few hours will make it shine like new. Just put water and baking soda on your jewelry and let it sit for a while. Then you can rinse it off and it will look as good as new. Baking soda can be used to kill toenail fungus. Mix 1 cup of vinegar with enough water to soak your feet. Soak for about 15 minutes and then dry your feet. Then add several tablespoons of baking soda to enough water to soak your feet again. Soak for about 15 minutes and then dry your feet. Do this twice a day. The vinegar will kill the fungus and the baking soda will stop it from growing back. Pet odors can be gotten rid of. Baking soda can get rid of pet odors and other smells. You can use baking soda to freshen your carpet instead of any product that has chemicals in it. To get rid of pet smells in the house, sprinkle baking soda on rugs and furniture. Let it sit for about 20 minutes and then vacuum it up. Test a small area first to see if the baking soda will change the color of your rugs or furniture. Baking soda can help fight cancer. There is some research that suggests baking soda may have properties that can help fight cancer. Although it is not a cure, an oncologist in Italy has developed a treatment using baking soda primarily for cancers of the digestive tract, including those of the throat, intestines, and rectal area. It is important to be aware of this information. Cancer grows best in acidic environments, but baking soda is alkaline. Baking soda as shampoo. Baking soda shampoo became popular because it claims to promote faster hair growth, by removing impurities from the scalp and hair, and because it is often viewed as a natural alternative to traditional shampoos containing harsh chemicals. If you found this video helpful and informative about the surprising uses of baking soda for health, beauty, and the home, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this. And we would love to hear your thoughts and any additional tips or tricks you have for using baking soda. So please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching!